Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to Vlogmas 2025. I am so excited about participating in Vlogmas this year. I believe this is my third or fourth year participating in Vlogmas. I can't remember, but I will link my previous Vlogmas videos in the cards up above, so make sure that you check them out. This year, I plan on bringing you some exciting videos every day from now until the end of December. Side note, if you are not familiar with what Vlogmas is, it is putting out videos every day for the month of December, vlogging different holiday activities, holiday hairstyles, holiday recipes, anything holiday related. I am a little late on posting, but better late than never. I don't want you to miss out on these amazing Vlogmas videos that I'm going to be putting out. So make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my uploads, and welcome to Vlogmas 2025. If you have any suggestions for some ideas of videos that you want to see me do, make sure you drop them in the comment section. I appreciate you, love you, thank you for all of your support. Let's get into today's video. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. In today's video, we're going to share a little recap of November. Some really big things happened this November. My oldest son celebrated his 18th birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Victor. Happy birthday to you. Speech.
My granddaughter celebrated her first birthday. I am still in awe at the fact that I am a grandmother and I am wearing that title with pride. My Jade is my everything.
Hey, Jadey boy, it's your birthday party. Happy birthday, Gigi big girl. Rub your feet together. Yes. Yeah, I know. Yeah, it'll do that to you. Yeah.
Oh, it's so good. It's so good.
Oh, yeah, I want to see it. Yeah.
It's good.
Oh, yeah. See, that thing done got on now.
Then, of course, there was Thanksgiving. I had such an amazing time with my family. As always, good food, good laughs, just an amazing time.
All right, Vinny.
Okay. Okay, Vinny. I. I was gonna say, where you going? Yeah. Where you going with it, bro?
Hey, what is that? Good break. Good break.
And then I want to bring to you a quick and easy holiday hairstyle that you can do. These little passion twist. I absolutely love these. They're a little chunky. Put a little rubber band at the end and then just left some of the hair down at the end so I didn't twist all the way down. This style literally took me about an hour, maybe an hour and 15 minutes to install. It's quick and easy. My hair was already in some plaits, so I just crocheted this hair underneath my plaits, twisted this hair around my plaits, put a little rubber band at the end. Super quick, super easy, DIY friendly, beginner friendly. You can definitely do this style on yourself. So let me show you what hair I use and we'll get right into this tutorial. Keep on watching. So this is the hair that I use. It is from Sensational. It is the 3x Water Wave Rua hair. It's 18 inches and in the color 1B. I got this from my local beauty supply store. I've had it for a while and I've been waiting to install it, but I'm so glad I did because I love how this turned out. I'm going to give you a 360 and we're going to get right into how you can get this holiday hairstyle for yourself. Absolutely love these super cute chunky twists, and I love the little curls at the end, giving a little boho effect. Super cute, but let's show you how I got this look. Let me know what you think of this style in the comments section below. Do you love it as much as I do? Will you be trying this for one of your holiday hairstyles? Let me know in the comments section what holiday hairstyle you want to see me do next. As always, thanks so much for tuning in to Vlogmas. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.